Hey guys, jumping right in, we're going to be using the Gingerbread palette by Too Faced, and this is what the palette looks like. These are the colors that we're going to be working with. And so we're going to start off with the color Gingerbread, and we're going to place that above the crease area, and we're just going to blend that in using windshield wiper motions on both sides. Then I'm going to go in with the color Spice is Nice, and we're going to use that in the crease area and only the crease area. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the color Warm and Toasty, and we're going to place that all over the lid, focusing it only on the lid space and just packing that on. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the color Reindeer Paws, and we're just going to pack that on the outer corner of the lid as you see me doing here. We're just packing it on and swiping it inward. We want to blend that out nicely. We want it to look dark, but not too dark, so we want to blend it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the color This is Nice, and I'm putting it again above the crease area just to make sure we didn't lose any of that beautiful color. Then I used the color Hot Toddy and placed it in the lower lash line just to give our look something extra. Then I went in with the color Frostbite Me in the inner corner, and I used that as the highlight. I think this is a very beautiful highlight. I also used it in the brow bone area just to clean everything up and have the look come together. Then I went in with the color Spice of Life and I packed it on, I want to say, the inner third of the eye. I wanted it to look like a gradient effect. I didn't want it to just all be that warm and toasty color, that gold color. So I placed a little bit of Spice of Life right in the center there, as you see me doing. Then I went in and packed on some of the warm and toasty color in the front of the inner corner and just did a basic black eyeliner with a small wing on the eye. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic. Now it's time for the face. So using the 330 toffee color of the Fit Me foundation and the NARS sealer in the color Biscuit, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. This is one of my favorite concealers, guys. So as you see me doing here, the chin, underneath the eyes, and on the forehead, and just blending it all out. Once I was done with that, I went and took the Lorac Tantalizer Baked Bronzer and just placed that to contour. And then I went and used the Melted Liquid Lipstick by Too Faced in the color Gingerbread Girl, which is beautiful. Then I used the Stila blush in the color Self Adjusting Coral, and I went really light with this, guys. It is a beautiful color. And then just a basic black mascara to do the lashes. I did not feel like doing fake lashes today, so we just went on the top and at the bottom of our lashes. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment, subscribe, and push that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon.